The Verifone VX520 credit card terminal is currently in its end of life phase, and there is an end of service date coming up, and I'm going to tell you what that is, as well as what you should replace this terminal with coming up. So the VX520 is on its way out the door. It's in the end of life. What does that mean? Well, it just means that Verifone has stopped making these devices new. They're not producing them anymore. So you can't get your hands on any brand new ones unless you're buying from an overstock or someone that had a bunch of them in their inventory. But you don't really want to do that, because if we rewind real quick, July 2019, Verifone put out a discontinuance notice, a guidance and discontinuance notice that let everyone know that the VX520 was going to be entering the end of life phase starting April 30th of 2020. So the end of life phase is going to go from April of 2020 all the way up to the end of service date, which would be April of 2023. And that's where you won't be able to get any service on this, and it will stop working. So you have a little bit of time to continue using this, and in practice, if you're actually using this device and it's programmed to your current merchant services provider right now, you'll likely be able to use it for a number of months longer. As long as you're not running into any issues, you continue using it. But where the problem will arise is if there is a problem with the printer, the buttons, the card swiper, anything on the unit that needs to be updated, including the software, of course, you're going to get a response from tech support that you need to upgrade the entire machine because support is no longer offered. And that is, of course, part of the phase out or the end of life process. This machine's getting phased out. It's going to no longer be supported. And again, the reason is because of PCI security, level 3 security. So, payment security is of the utmost importance with these things. They're computers, just like a cell phone would be. And when you talk about payment security, there's constant updates, constant innovations. And so that's always happening with payment processing machines and equipment. So that's the reason for the entire end of life. So what should you upgrade to? The Verifone V200C is the replacement for the VX520. Again, the V200C is the replacement for this machine. So I released a video recently on the channel, and I'll link it up in the description. All the links will be in the description below, so you can scroll right down there and find them, where I show on the V200C all your standard operations, like how to run a sale, how to do a refund, void, all the standard operations, how to change the paper, etc. And so you can go and take a look at that. If your current processor isn't offering a swap out or a change program of any sort, there are some discounted options on that page that I'll give you access to. You can buy the V200C at a discount, and maybe even in some cases there's a free option. And if you choose that option, it'll be with one of my sources, of course, in full disclosure. You can even schedule a call with myself or someone on my team if you want to look at, if you have specific questions about upgrading the unit. But again, the upgrade to this machine, to the VX520, is the Verifone V200C. So if you want to take a look at that and get that upgraded for your business, check the links in the description where you can find more info. So there you have it. The VX520 is on its way out the door, end of life. It's being phased out. So if you want to upgrade, go get the V200C. Links in the description. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you want more videos just like this one on updates on credit card processing equipment, credit card terminals, point of sale systems, payment software, invoicing systems, just general payment collection processes for your small to medium sized business. If you want more videos like that, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get notified. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and until next time, I'm Brian Manning, and I'll see you in the next one.